use chickpea flour. It adds a light, nutty flavor and a little extra protein. But you can easily use any flour you have on hand. It will still turn out beautifully. If you don't have buckwheat flour, you can easily make it at home. Just grind the grains in a powerful coffee grinder. The batter should be soft and flowing. Not too thick. Not too runny. It should slowly fall from the spatula. My favorite for streusel is coconut oil. It creates the most delicate, crumbly texture. But if you don't have it, plant-based butter works just as well. Just make sure it's very cold. From my kitchen to yours, soft blueberry muffins to enjoy.